Turumpo asitiyak hitiyat වැඩක් නැත නැත්තම් කරන්න සෙල්ලමක් මං ඉල්ලමක් උනත් ඉල්ලන්නේ එක පරයි නැත්තම් දාන්නේ පිල්ලමක් මම පාට කරේ මම තනියෙන් එක උනේ මල් ලස්සන සිත්තමක් දැන් වටින් ගොඩින් කට්ටිය කියන්නේ අද ඔබ මර චරිතයක් කොම චරිතයක් උනේ නිකන් නෙවෙයි මම ගැලුව මගේ මහත් මම ඉදිලුනේ හින කරතනිය මහයේ මගේ අත්තට මගේ
Picked up the length really well and just put it in the night sky and let the breeze.
Another shot by Nance, right up in the air for another. That's into the gap. Well struck from.
And he finds the gap on this occasion. That's gone up a long way. Will take some catching. Kick will not. No. And it should have. Travelling in the air. Not going to carry on. No. Oh, you wouldn't believe it. You just wouldn't credit it.
Against Bobby.
Time finds the man in the deep. Not.
Picked up the net very quickly. Manayava had the boundary. Looked like he was in with a chance. Just over.
Lost living innings. Up in the air. And fine.
Driven beautifully through the past 5 overs. 61 runs. And Adam
Wonderful shot this time so far. This time down the ground. Has he got enough of it? Just not. Is it going to be another scholarship? And it is. Just about. You see. 18 balls. Need a wicket desperately. And that will just... well, that is really down the ground. Got the minute in back.
Straight as you like.
What you deliver is in that he shows